We kicked off July, as we do every year, with the red, white, and blue of Independence Day. And if you're thinking there's nothing more all-American than that, then let me remind you that July is also Ice Cream Month, which in my eyes is also as all-American as it gets. So the next time you're at the market, make sure you spend a few extra minutes checking out all the new trends, flavors, and brands of ice cream that our freezer aisle has to offer. And if you think it's hard to decide if you should eat it out of a bowl or would it be better in a cone, just wait until you see all the flavors that are available this year. And for those of you who are looking at what many call better for you options, there's no shortage of them. Everything from plant-based frozen favorites to ones that have less sugar and are dairy-free. And if you want to bring back all those ice cream truck memories from years gone by, then you have to check out all the novelty options. And don't be surprised if you hear the jingle of the ice cream truck bell as you walk down the aisle. And since there's no better time than right now to pick up a few of your favorite flavors and varieties, you better stock up. And with ice cream being so versatile, rather than giving you a recipe to whip up, let me share some of my favorite ways that I like to use it. In the heat of the summer, there's nothing better than a thick Frosty shake. And what's a slice of fresh berry pie without a scoop of creamy ice cream on top of it? And for those times when you're on the go, make sure you have plenty of ice cream novelties on hand. With so many ways to enjoy it, I promise you'll be hearing loads of, "Ooh, it's so good."